good.
It's good, boys.
Yeah. What's up, Bears? You good?
Guys just interrupted the intro.
What's going on, guys? Justin or OVO Update back again with another video, and today we're heading to Yorkdale to grab a pair of gloves, a mask, and a few other things. So I'm gonna take you guys along. See you guys when we get there.
Get it.
So we just got to Yorkdale Mall. We with the gang right now, but we with Jay as well. Shout out to Jay. I don't think that there's any line right now, but again, we'll see when we get in. It is only 10 a.m. so I feel like there shouldn't be many people. I got a 33. Place your bets now. Will there be a line? Yes. 3 people, 2 people. Like 2 people. I feel like there's gonna be like Jay and like 2 others. We'll see. And there is 1 person. So top 5 are we leaving, eh? Peace. All right, Aris, tell us what you've spotted.
Spotted gloves and a red D2 square t-shirt.
Of course the glove, man.
Oh,
Bro, you know what happened? You know what happened?
Fight with him?
No.
Wait, who wants the D squared hat?
No, this is what happened last time. This is what happened last time. He went to Yorkdale.
What color are you guys picking for the gloves?
Black.
Black?
If I can get 2, I'll get one of each.
I think we're all going black here. That's probably going to be the most popular one. But we'll see what sells out first. All right, so you already know. We came through. Show them. We'll give them a little preview.
Little vest right here?
You got the vest?
Yeah, of course.
What?
Mandatory. Orange glove.
Okay. Wow.
Final seal.
So we were allowed to get 2 gloves per person, 1 of each color. So you know we had to grab both. Whole teammate. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Wow.
Both there?
First in-hand look of the gloves.
Come on.
Wow.
Open the inside.
different
Inside.
materials.
Come on.
Oh, dude.
Cool.
That's clean. Is it like sticky on the owl? Is it like sticky?
Oh, they're fucking zip tied. Yeah.
Is it?
Oh, you have to fucking.
Wow, eh?
They're zip tied. It's like grip.
So when I get back home, I'm gonna give you guys a detailed review and a try on of the gloves. But we just gotta show you a quick preview before. But we're about to head to Plus. We went there in the Babe vlog. So we're gonna see if they got any more stuff. Maybe some OVO.
Shout out Andy.
Shout out to him, shout out Andy, you already know.
The lows are false.
What? Dior's for days.
Wow. $400.
All right, so it is currently what?
11:23.
11:23, and gloves are gone at Yorkdale. The highlighter ones were the first to sell out, and then the black. I also
Like when I have to go shovel
already
the
know
gas
what's going
house,
on. But we're leaving Yorkdale now, and I'm gonna give you guys an in-depth review when we get back. So we'll see you then. Peace. Just got back from Yorkdale. Pretty quick trip out there, but a good trip because we came through successful with the W's. But I just want to say this is the last iPhone vlog ever on the channel. As of tomorrow, I'm picking up my brand new camera, G7X, you guys know, so the quality is going to be much better. But without further ado, let's get straight into the review. Let's get into the bag. As you guys know, we were at Yorkdale Mall. We got there, I want to say 45 minutes early, and we got a few things, as you could see. So we're gonna work our way to the gloves because I know everyone wants to see those first. But let's start off with the t-shirt. As you guys can see, this is the static t-shirt, and what I didn't really realize in the photos is that's actually red and blue right here. So pretty cool t-shirt. Let me know if you picked anyone up for yourself. This one is not for me, as you guys can tell by the size. But $48, this is an awesome t-shirt. Definitely a solid pickup if you did grab one. Again, with the made in Canada, you can never go wrong. So that is the t-shirt for today. We don't want to talk too much about that because we want to get into the main highlights. Here is the ski mask. As you can see, one size, October's very own, stitching across the bottom, and the pom-pom logo right next to the eye. That is it for the branding on this mask, but let's take it out and get a better look. I have this one from 2017. It did release. This is a restock, but here it is holding up after 3 years of like kind of on and off use. I did bring it to the ski hill when I was snowboarding, and it is holding up pretty well. Again, this was $48, not too bad, but wow, did it sell out really quick online. Also, quality wise, it is pretty thick actually. It will definitely keep your face warm. As for the eye cutouts, the holes aren't the best. They could have been a little bit better because it kind of scratches with your eyelashes, but again, you just have to make a few adjustments and you should be good. Moving the ski mask to the side, let's get into why you guys are really here. For these gloves, check it out. We got the orange and we got the black. Let me know what color you guys like more. We got the winter 20, and I was able to grab size large. I know they came medium, large, and XL. A lot of people didn't know their sizing, but I'm glad they did put size charts online so you could see. But which one should we get into first? I think we're gonna go for the black ones. So it came in this nice plastic bag. So here is the gloves from the top, mechanics wear, size large, the original multi-purpose work. Now this is like a mechanical work glove, not actually winter gloves. So this won't really keep you warm in the winter. Again, I know a lot of people are probably gonna use it for like shoveling in the snow or any yard work. So let's run down on the logo. So we got the mechanic wear, the original at the top clasp. This is where the Velcro is. On the other side, you could adjust it. Then we got the runner logo in yellow, and on the thumb we have no logos at all, kept it plain. But right when we get to the front, you can see we got the Mechanics October's very own glove with the OG owl right here and right here. Super nice. I'm really glad they didn't just stick an owl on it, but they actually put in some detail. For example, right here, as you guys saw earlier, very nice, and it is really sticky, so it's gonna grip onto anything. All right, so they are stuck to the packaging, so we got to cut through. Nice clean cut right there. Taking it off, wow, these are awesome. Here's the tag right here. It has the size, and let's slide it on. Wow, this is a perfect fit, so I'm super glad I went with the large. And I'm gonna do the Velcro up. Super nice fit, guys. Take a look. I went with a large and I got a good amount of room for my fingers in each one, so I'm definitely happy I didn't go with the medium. But here it is, guys, the Work OVO gloves. Let me know if you picked a pair up for yourself online. I'm sure these will be reselling for a decent amount, but yo guys, this is it for the gloves. $38, definitely worth it in my opinion. Let me know if you grabbed a pair down below. And that is it for today's video. Just finished up with the gloves, but shout out to everyone for showing mad love and support recently. Again, I'm super excited for the camera. It's on the way, so the quality is going to be 10 times better than what you see now. More vlogs, more shopping, more OVO. So with that being said, CLB on the way, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.